Ladies and gentlemen, these three items are the same. They're identical in every way. I will prove it in my book, but as you can see, in this particular piece here is the face with the nose of the Mona. And this particular one you can't see yet, which I will give you a close-up, is a different layer of about 1/100th of a different layer of the photo of the Mona under an X-ray, but not of this painting. This painting has its own, and this painting has its own. This painting is actually called Medion. This painting is called Medion. This painting here and this painting here are the same paintings, but under different layers of X-ray. This painting is a Mona Lisa painting. This painting is a lost painting that has been found by myself, and I've been examining it for over 5 years. This is also the same painting as this one. Let me show you a close-up. Hopefully it shows up. I'm working this out. But as you come closer, you will see the photo of the Mona come out. That is the Mona. It lines up in every detail. And what happens is that when the photo to the left of the Mona gets next to it, this brightness of the shade shines onto this, which makes it difficult. So watch what happens of the real fine deals. I have to move it out of the way. I have to take this one and move it out of the way. And then I go over to here and look, it's already lightening up just on the lighting. Now watch. There she is. Now when you move light to it, which is shadow, build, and everything else, that is the Mona. 100% she lines up in every way. And when I've been examining it, I'll give you an example. This particular piece actually starts over here, and each little spot she moves across the room. So if you follow her eyes normally, all these are her eyes, and she follows across, and she has a fan across her face. The same thing, if you notice how this is the same, it also goes to this piece of wood. This wood is the same wood, which is the same, let me fix this, as this wood she's resting on. So what you got is, this is the rail right here that her hand rides across. It starts here and it starts moving. That's why everybody wants to know how come the Mona Lisa follows you with her eyes. Because she is. It's like cartoons in a piece of paper that when they do it in a book. You flip the book and each one, the guy is running across the room because each space is moved. That's what Leonardo da Vinci did. He made millions of paintings inside this painting to make the painting. It's in my book to try to explain it. I don't know if I could ever explain it as well as he could, obviously, because he's the one, but what I mean is only he knows the facts, even if I thought I knew the facts. Because it's called stylist, and stylist is that the Mona comes out to be a beautiful, changed person. It was to where on top of his horse he had this acorn. It actually means change. He has lightning bolts, or resembles lightning bolts, like a slingshot, and that actually means harmony. And there's a lot of hidden innuendos, a lot of different type of love, and a lot of different type of religion, and a lot of different type of love making, of different ways of expressing, and a lot of things that occurred that's in this painting. A lot of it I will not come out and mention, but as you can see, there's even a hidden deal. This is actually my painting turned 90 degrees. My man's head's over here. This is his, excuse me, I can see I'm backwards. My man's head over here, he's got me all twisted. This is turned 90 degrees. This is actually like a flying horse.